Do you ever like put like a little heart for like our employees, like to let them know that we care, and or like a happy, like a signature, like no, can I? Just to show that I care, that I was here. Like I can.
Here.
I did pretty good.
I mean, it's a nice heart. I don't know what the heck they're gonna say about
Well,
this.
that I love my crew. That's what it means.
This one's pretty bad, so we have to cut it out.
Uh-huh.
But
So it's just like a little rectangle, like a little rectangle right here.
yeah. Here,
What
hold this.
happened?
Hold this. I gotta.
He gets calls all day.
Why don't you do it?
I could do a rectangle.
All right.
Yeah?
Perfect.